Hey, and welcome to Adventures by D. We're bringing you along as we enjoy all the best things you can do at Stone Mountain Christmas. So follow along. Are you ready, Dave?
Let's go get our Stone Mountain Christmas on, Chris.
Let's go. Ho, 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 ho. So first thing to consider is when you get here. So on weekends right now, it's open weekends, right, for Stone Mountain Christmas. And then once you get to Thanksgiving week, and then later on, closer to Christmas, we're here opening weekend, it'll be open daily. I think when school's out, it's open. But you want to get here at 2 o'clock on the weekends, after 2. That's when it opens. You're going to be able to do the train. You can do miniature golf. You can see the dinosaur exhibit if you have young kids. So you can have some fun. We've already set our stuff up on the lawn several hours before the festivities will be this evening. And so it's something to think about if you want to maximize your ticket. Get here early. You also get great parking. So that's another benefit too. When you're getting ready to exit, you don't have to walk as far to your car.
Spirit, are these the shades of what may be, or what the shades of what will be? Tell me, why show me all this if I am past hope of redemption? Spirit, oh Spirit, help me. Help me, Spirit. Oh Spirit, Spirit, help me.
Okay, so let's talk about tickets. You need to buy your tickets online. Look either for Groupons or look for their social media when they have flash sales. You're going to save a lot based on when you come and if you showed up and just paid at the box office.
Plus
it's quicker.
What's the biggest tip of Groupon?
You have to buy, for Groupon, you have to buy up to the day before. You cannot buy a Groupon the day of to come the day of. We have found that out the hard way. And how Stone Mountain Park works is you have to pay to get your car into Stone Mountain Park. So it's $20 for each visit or $40 if you buy a year pass. So if you're coming 2 or more times, you got to get the year pass. You get a sticker for your window and your dash to drive in. And then you come on in and then you need a ticket for the event to get in, to get on the lawn, any of that stuff. You can exercise around the perimeter of the park without a pass to the Stone Mountain Christmas festivities, but you need to buy a ticket to get into the festivities, separate from the ticket for the festivities. If you want to go up and see Santa Claus at the North Pole and take the sky ride, that's an additional ticket. You can get a Groupon also for that ticket, and you're going to save $10 over the price that Stone Mountain charges when you show up. So you got to buy beforehand. Search, look for deals either through their website, social media, or Groupon. And then you're going to get a wristband that you have to put on your wrist, and that's what gets you around everywhere. They check your wristband at several points going in and out of the lawn and also in the main crossroads area.
So Gingy jumped to the left and he jumped to the right. He took a deep breath and ran into the night. He was so fast he escaped after not long, and the polar bears listened in the distance to Gingy singing his song. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
So here we go, the famous cinnamon bread, but this is at Stone Mountain Park. So the cinnamon bread is like about $10. And then separately is the icing. There's no icing on it. You could get icing or cream cheese icing or I think apple butter. But anyway, it's like $1.50 or $2. Altogether, it's like $12 or $13. Now, we have a mountain membership, and that saved us a few dollars. And I didn't actually know, so that's good to know here. So here we go. I have an end piece here. It's pretty warm. It's got the cinnamon sugar goo on the bottom. It's pretty good. It's very cinnamony.
Did you get a close-up? Pretty soft, cinnamony, sugary. Not quite as good as Dollywood's, which Dollywood's is a very high bar. We've seen all of our Dollywood videos. We've had that in the hotel, we've had it in the park. But this is very good. This is by far the best thing I've had at Stone Mountain. We'll show you the funnel cake stand later. We'll do the funnel cake in a future video, but this is pretty good.
Here we go. He's doing his little dippity.
Because what's better than a very sweet cinnamon roll bread than cream cheese frosting?
He has not stopped talking about this thing since he saw the sign, so he's finally gotten it.
It's not like you can get fresh made cinnamon bread everywhere you go.
Everywhere we go, it seems like.
2 places here in Dollywood.
Here, this bite's for you guys.
Thank you for joining us for a Stone Mountain Christmas. Now, sit back, relax, and let the north winds carry you away.
Oh, hi, humans and tiny humans.
I think it's time to put down the cookies because this Christmas Eve needs to sparkle extra bright.
Oh my gosh, we got, starting off the parade, Aurora, the Princess of Light. We just saw her show a little bit ago. Very cute.
Just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide. And so are all of you.
So the 411 on the train. They told Dave to get here about 20 minutes before the train's going to leave. So it's going to leave at 7:20 until it's getting line 7. And then, so it's about 20 minutes loading.
It's here. Just pulled in.
Did it just pull in?
Yeah.
Okay, so, and then it's going to leave at 7:20. Supposedly it's only a 30-minute ride, but I'm going to tell you in their circular it says it's 40. So we'll see. And then that should give us enough time to go ahead and then should give us enough time. Sorry, we're hurrying up. We're like, it should give us enough time to go ahead and also see the drone and light show, which is what we love here. Dave is dying to do the train. And Dave, we're doing outdoor. We got to do the outdoor experience, right?
Yeah, it's in the back.
I mean versus indoor. That's what I'm trying to say.
Pro tip, sit on the left side.
Yes. Here's Dave. Oh, the carols are starting, Dave. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Jingling and jingling. Oh, yes.
Oh, howdy, everybody. How's everyone doing tonight?
Good.
Oh, well, that's just wonderful to hear. Let me welcome you all to Pebble Ridge. My name's Patrice, but everybody around here calls me Patty. I'm the owner of the Pebble Ridge Boutique, just down the way. On a night, dark and cold and beautiful, very much like tonight, there was this hillside to see. And on that hillside were some sheep. Now, wherever you find sheep, you're bound to find shepherds. And there they was. They was tending to their flock, and their flock was munching on grass, having the time of their lives. And finally, they made it to the little town of Bethlehem. And you know what they started doing when they got there? They started looking in every hotel and every inn for the baby Jesus, but they couldn't find him nowhere. Mama and his daddy, they was kneeling right there next to him. And one of them shepherds said, could this be that baby the angels was talking about? He came to us in just such humble beginnings. With that in mind, let me just say this. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, y'all. Bye!
Woo!
Bye! Thanks for listening to my story. Y'all come back now.
Okay, Dave, So what would be your top things? Look, I can't see because my sand hat's falling in here. What would be your top things that you would want to do and not miss for Stone Mountain Christmas?
My top 3 would be train, the parade, and the drone and light show.
Mine would be the drone and light show 100%. Like, do not miss it. I like the 4D show, although I don't think we're gonna have time to get it in. It's like Rudolph. It doesn't matter. Whatever 4D show it is, I like it. And I do like the parade. Parade's short. I don't know why. I just really like it. So they dance and get into it. And definitely, I'm gonna throw one in the train too. And of course, walking around and looking at all the lights. So that's my top 5, and you had a top 3. Makes sense. And we're about to go to the 4D theater for the new show of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Let's go, let's go. We're heading into the 4D theater to see Rudolph and Friends. But the 4D theater here is similar to Dollywood's. When this was built, I think it was actually owned by the same people. But you have scenery, but unlike butterflies, you have the forest here for Georgia. So Madison, what did you think of the Rudolph 4D?
I liked it. It was good.
Did you like it? I liked it too. They changed the story a little bit, and it's new voices, and it's an animation to make it 4D versus the stop character action of the original, the stop motion. But it's cute. But they did change the story a little bit, and there are things that happen. Air blows at you and stuff. Some of the kids around us were a little scared, weren't they, during some of it? But 4D, you know, stuff happens to you in the theater. So, very cute. Sing along at the end too, which is good.
Moms and dads, boys and girls, get ready for the sky to sparkle with color and light as Stone Mountain Park proudly presents Princess Aurora's Light Spectacular and Magical Christmas Drone and Light Show.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
have a ticket this year for the magical flight to the North Pole, and it's not gonna happen tonight. One thing about the Sky Ride, it does shut down in high winds, and the wind's already blown, so no riding the Sky Ride. We'll have to see Santa on the ground and hopefully get a refund for this ticket.
Stone Mountain Park at Christmas time is a great time. If you have young kids or a young family, I definitely recommend it. There's lots of activities, lots of Christmas lights, a great drone and light show. So it's a good time. Just make sure you bundle up.
Yeah, bundle up. But I hope you enjoy the tips. We've been many times, and we tried to show you the best of Stone Mountain Christmas. So take a look and let us know if you agree.
Yeah, give us any feedback and let us know if there's other things in Atlanta you want us to cover for the holidays.
Chris, if they enjoy Stone Mountain content, what should they do?
You should like this video and subscribe to our channel. We are local to the Atlanta area, and we cover Stone Mountain Park all throughout the year and things to do in and around Atlanta. We also love theme parks. So Six Flags over Georgia, Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia, Dollywood, Disney, Universal, you name it, we love to go do it. So join in the fun and give us some hints about things that you might want us to cover.
And Chris, until our next holiday adventure,
May the adventures be with you. Ho, 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 ho.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Ringing a bell.
so you'll be notified of our next upload. And as always, may the adventures be with you.